Hello everybody, my name is Gunther with Superior War Beds, your best choice in Murphy beds. Today I'd like to show you the option we have with our Murphy beds. You can add a side cabinet with a closet, with drawers, soft closing hinges, and any other things you like. Everything we do is made in our shop. You can add a desk to your bed, or you can add a sofa to your bed. You can also add lights and any other things you like we can discuss. You can add pull-out tables you can use as a nightstand. So everything we do is made in our shop, so we can customize to your specifications. We come out and give you a consultation, and from there we build your bed and your cabinets. So your best choice in Murphy beds is Calgary Superior War Beds. So I look forward to hear from you. Give me a call and we will arrange in-home consultation. We deliver and install. It's all included in the package. Thank you.